Chapter 2. Number System, an Introduction. A computer uses numbers to understand our commands as it cannot understand our language directly. It follows a specific number system to translate an instruction and perform the task. Let us learn about the number system. Number system. The representation of numbers using digits or other symbols in a consistent manner is known as the number system. We can determine the value of any digit in a number by referring to the digit, the position of the digit, and base of the number system. In a computer, input received from the user gets translated into numbers. Numbers enable the computer to understand the instructions. The number system plays an important role in making computers understand human language with ease. The total number of digits used in a computer system is called base or radix of the number system. The number system is categorized into 4 types. Decimal number system, base 10. Binary number system, base 2. Octal number system, base 8. Hexadecimal number system, base 16. Decimal number system. The decimal number system is the most commonly used number system for denoting numbers. It consists of 10 digits 0 to 9, hence, its base is 10. The weight and position of the digit determine the value represented by each individual unit. The successive positions on the left side of the decimal point represent units, tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on. The position on the right side of the decimal point is -1, -2, and so on. By multiplying the weight of the position of digits and adding the results, we can determine the value of a number. This is known as the expansion method. The first digit on the right side of the decimal point has the lowest value and hence is called the least significant digit, LSD. The first digit on the left side of the decimal point has the highest value and hence is called the most significant digit, MSD. For example, in the number 286, the digit 2 is the MSD and the 6 is LSD. Observe the table given below to understand the positional weight of the decimal number, 286, base 10. Hundreds, tens, units. Weights. 10 to the power of 2. 10 to the power of 1. 10 to the power of 0. Real value of each digit. To multiply 10 to the power of 2. 8 multiply 10 to the power of 1. 6 multiply 10 to the power of 0. Result. 286. Binary number system. The binary number system consists of only 2 digits, 0 and 1, 1. Binary numbers have the base of 2. A computer only understands the binary code, which is why it converts everything into the binary form. Binary language is also known as machine language. A binary digit is made up of 1 bit. Look at the following table to understand more about binary digits. Name, size, bits, description. Bit 1. Single digit either 0 or 1. Nibble 4. Group of 4 digits made up of zeros and ones. Byte 8. Group of 8 digits made up of zeros and ones. Word 16. Group of 16 digits made up of zeros and ones. Formation of binary numbers. The binary number system consists of 2 digits, 0 and 1. A combination of these 2 digits can be used to represent any quantity. The weight of each position is a power of 2. Observe the following table to understand the place value of digits in reference to their position and weight. Position 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2. Weight 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of -1, 2 to the power of -2. Octal number system. The octal number system consists of 8 digits, that is, 0 to 7. Octal numbers have a base of 8. All the digits in this number system can only be less than 8. The position of each digit represents a power of 8. For example, the number 832, base 8 is an invalid octal number as there is no such digit as 8 in this number system, but the number 732, base 8 is a valid octal number. Hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal number system consists of only 16 digits, that is, 0 to 9 and A to F. The decimal numbers 10 to 15 are represented by the letters A to F. The position of each digit represents the power of 16. For example, the number 921, base 16 is a valid hexadecimal number, but it represents a different value from the decimal number 921, base 10. We can represent long decimal numbers in a shortcut method by using this number system. Decimal to binary conversion. Follow these steps to convert the decimal numbers to binary. Step 1. Divide the decimal numbers by 2, base or radix of the binary system. Step 2. Keep a note of the quotient and remainder. Step 3. Divide the obtained quotient by 2 and repeat step 2. Step 4. Repeat steps 1 to 3 until the obtained quotient is less than 2. Step 5. List the obtained quotient and remainders from bottom to top. Observe the examples given below to understand the conversion. Example 1. Conversion of decimal number 36, base 10 to binary. Example 2. Conversion of decimal number 54, base 10 to binary. Binary to decimal conversion. Follow these steps to convert the binary numbers to decimal. Step 1. Identify the LSD, rightmost, and MSD, leftmost, from the number. Step 2. Multiply each digit of the number with 2 raised to a specific power as per the position. Step 3. Add the results to get the decimal number. Observe the examples given below to understand the conversion. Example 1. Conversion of binary number 100100, base to 2 decimal number. Example 2. Conversion of binary number 110110, base to 2 decimal number. Example 3. Conversion of binary number 11011, base to 2 decimal number. Arithmetic operations on binary numbers. We will learn about 2 types of arithmetic operations on binary numbers. Binary addition. Binary addition is quite the same as the addition of decimal numbers. However, there are some rules to follow while adding binary numbers. X, Y, X plus Y. 0, 0, 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0, 1, 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1, 0, 1 plus 0 equals 1. 1, 1, 1 plus 1 equals 10, carry 1. Example. Binary subtraction. In binary subtraction, the lower value of binary is subtracted from the higher value of binary. There are some rules to follow for binary subtraction. When the binary value y is greater than the binary value x, 1 is borrowed from the next position. When the binary digit 0 borrows 1 from the next MSD, it becomes 10. X, y, x minus y. 0, 0, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 0, 1, 0 minus 1 is equal to 1, borrow 1. 1, 0, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 1, 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Example. Let us recall. The representation of numbers using digits or other symbols in a consistent manner is known as the number system. The number system is categorized into 4 types: decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal, etc. Decimal number system consists of 10 digits 0 to 9, hence, its base is 10. The binary number system consists of only 2 digits 0, 0 and 1. It has the base of 2. The octal number system consists of 8 digits, that is, 0 to 7. Octal numbers have a base of 8. The hexadecimal number system consists of only 16 digits, that is, 0 to 9 and A to F. The decimal numbers 10 to 15 are represented by the letters A to F.